Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying the essentials so the fix works. First, make sure your iPhone is on the latest compatible iOS. Go to Settings, General, Software Update. Once done, force close the camera app and reboot the phone to clear temporary glitches. While it restarts, check storage and battery. Free up at least 1 GB and confirm battery above 10% so background process is complete. These steps prevent common failures and prepare the device for deeper permission and hardware checks next. Next, you'll focus on permissions and app-level conflicts. Open Settings, Privacy, Camera, and make sure the app in question has camera access enabled. Toggle it off and on to refresh the grant. Then check Screen Time settings. Content and privacy restrictions can block the camera app, disable or allow it. Once permissions look right, test the camera inside another app like FaceTime to isolate whether the problem is app-specific. If the camera works elsewhere, you'll reset the problematic app next. To finish, reset any lingering misconfigurations and reinstall software. Start by updating iOS and the affected app. If that fails, reset all settings via Settings, General, Transfer, or Reset iPhone, Reset. This preserves data but clears system settings. Reinstall the troubled app from the App Store and retest. If the camera still fails, run Apple Diagnostics in an Apple Store or contact Apple support for a hardware check. Quick troubleshooting tip. If audio works but
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.